Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do a flare breakdance. First, let's cover the essential groundwork. Building a strong core and stable shoulders is crucial for supporting your body weight. Practice handstands and pike positions to develop upper body strength. Also, focus on stretching your hamstrings and hips to gain the necessary flexibility. Always ensure you have an open, safe space with a smooth, non-slippery surface for practice. Now, let's initiate the flare. Begin in a pike position with your hands on the floor, about shoulder width apart. Position your dominant hand slightly forward, with fingers pointing outward for better grip. Swing one leg up and over your body, simultaneously pushing off the ground with your non-dominant hand. Remember to keep your arms straight and engage your core muscles throughout this initial movement for stability. Next, we'll focus on generating momentum. As your first leg swings over, push off the ground with your hands to lift your body. Use your hips and core to powerfully drive the rotation, keeping your legs wide apart. Bring your second leg around to meet the first, maintaining a consistent height off the floor. Aim for a continuous, fluid motion to build and sustain the necessary momentum for the flare. Finally, let's talk about sustaining the flare. You'll need to alternate hand placement, pushing off the floor with each rotation to keep moving. Keep your legs straight and wide, forming a distinct V-shape in the air for maximum leverage. Maintain a strong core and straight arms throughout the entire movement to effectively support your body weight. Consistent practice of these rotations will significantly improve your balance and endurance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.